Hello everybody, welcome to the farm, another day on the farm. So what are we up to today? We are going to be processing chickens. We have Freedom Rangers and they need to go into the freezer. Okay, we're moving right along here. We got the knives, they're all ready. And we got the music going. This is William and Amy.
Hey.
Say hello. Who are you saying hello to?
I'm saying hello to everyone.
Just wondering who you're saying hello to. Hey, okay, that's all good. So what are you doing today?
Oh, we're gonna be cutting some chickens.
And Amy, have you ever cut a chicken before?
No.
Okay. So you're a city girl.
She is.
A little bit of both. I try to
She's more of a city
get
girl.
out.
She's more of a city girl?
More of a
Are you a city girl, William?
I'm not a city girl.
Yeah.
I'm a country girl.
Oh, you're a country boy. Okay. Let me get that right? Okay, so let me show you the setup here. What we got going on. We have got our plucker. I gotta get a hose for that. Then we have this screen here, and that all the feathers go in that. So then we just wrap that up at the end, and then we bury it into our compost. Then over here, we have the killing cones with the buckets to catch the blood, and we're all ready to go. So now we're just waiting for some additional folks to come on by to help us out. The girls are Sivana and Serena are feeding the other chickens, and then they'll be bringing some over and we'll get going. Okay, we're going over here to catch the scene of how the chicken loading is going. And we have an escapee. How did that happen? These are Freedom Rangers we did. Okay, around there like that. Around here. Twist on a nail. Done. Next. Okay. So once the chicken goes upside down, they go into a stasis, like a shark. They relax. It's not so bad though. And then we do this. I need to stew a chicken. Stew. Here comes the chicken. Here comes the chicken. Put them in, stew. There you go. Thank you very much.
Watch your water. It looks cool.
Stop the light. Just check it. So now what we're doing is we are. What are we doing, Stu, here?
Scalding.
It's scalding. That's right. We're scalding the chicken. Okay. And the reason why we scald is it loosens the feathers up and it also takes the socks off. So that's good. And then when we do this, we fish a leg out there. And then what we do is that. And see the way that skin comes right off? So that chicken's ready. So now, what we're going to do, bring it over here. Ready? Chicken went in, all the feathers. Take the socks off. Okay, we're good to go, Serena.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right.
I think that's fine, Serena. Check your legs down. There you go. You ready? Yeah. And start your machine up. Drop it back there. Start your machine up. Pull your chicken out now. And then take any socks off that might be there, but it's all good. You see, you check the feet, it's all naked, it's all good. And the bucket goes. Good job! Next, we need a bird! We need a bird!
Everybody's so good.
The killing line is backing up here. Backing the process up. Okay, you're good?
We have to, yeah.
Yeah, you want to check it to make sure you stand up over 40. That's important. And then you need to scoop it up a little bit.
Yeah, between 145 and 175. 175 is way high.
That's way high, yeah.
Yeah, 140. It's kind
So
of
that's 40.
struggling.
So we can go ahead and give it a
Remember, every bird you put in is going to drop that temperature.
Oh, okay.
Just like putting pans of bread in an oven. It's going to drop the
That's true,
temperature.
that's true. Yeah, thank you. It's a helpful analogy.
Let that go at about 150 or so, and then turn it off. We go into the eviscerating room, or the cleaning room, and we have William here again, and Amy, and we have Vicky, and we have Oksana, and there we are. There's all the action going on. There's Vicky going at those poor chickens. How you
Here,
enjoy?
hold on.
How you enjoy?
Hold on.
That's not how you do it. How are you enjoying it, Amy?
I love it.
You love it, and
Yeah.
and William, how are you enjoying this?
I'm getting faster and faster with this.
You're getting faster and faster. That's a pretty small chicken you got going on there.
I
Let
need
me
to
tell
get
you.
another one. What are the midget chickens?
And Oksana, how do you think your team is doing in here?
I'm getting much better.
Much better?
Sorry.
You're gonna hire them all?
They hired.
Should I go and get them some pizza? Do you think?
That's also healthy. If you have healthy chickens, you have to healthy. I know we need to have spinach cheese with crackers. Yeah.
I think we need. It is done. It is done. The chickens are all finished. We had a very successful harvesting. They're all wrapped up, all snug in the freezer. And we've already had people come and get their chicken supply. It's a wonderful thing. So let's see what we have here. Hold on there now. Oh, that's better. Let's see what we have. There we go. All labeled. All chilling out in the freezer. Waiting for their new homes. And all stuffed in there. Chicken liver. So we had a total of 100 birds that came in. We had 15 birds that either died or fell prey to predators. So we had, what was it? 90, 80, 85 birds total, all processed. We had some birds that had, it was okay, they were a little small size, So we use them for dog food because we have some customers that feed their dogs this raw chicken and the giblets and that type of thing. So we just threw that in there. But all in all, it was a very successful harvest. And now we rest for 2 months, and we'll bring our next crop in late January. Next crop of chickens. So we just rest for a couple of months now and just enjoy the holidays. That's what we're going to be doing on the farm here. So there we have it. I really thank you guys for spending time with me. I really appreciate any likes because that helps out the old algorithm. So push the like button. And then also share the video with anybody you think that might enjoy or enjoy the channel. And also, the infamous subscribe. Gotta hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. You know, so do that. And we will continue marching on. We have a big bit of news coming down the pike here. All going well. Looking forward to sharing that with you guys. Not quite ready yet. I mean, it's big. You know, big in our life anyway. So we'll see. And we'll get that done. That'll be exciting. So any comments, leave them down there in the section down in the area there. And any ideas that you'd like to share with us as far as what you'd like us to do on the channel, let me know. And I'll do that. And beyond that, we're good. Thanks a bunch. And this, happy Thanksgiving. And we'll see you on the farm.